to sow the dragon's teeth, to act foolishly, to sow the dragon's teeth, to act foolishly, to speak one's mind, to express one's thoughts, to voice one's thoughts plainly, to stand on his feet, to be strong and independent, to stand one's ground, refuse to yield, refuse to change your opinion, to stay off, postpone, to steal a march, to outshine, to steal her brother's thunder, get more recognition than her brother for their success, to stick one's neck out, to take a risk, to take a backseat, to become less important or to give up control over things, to take a chill pill, to calm down, to take a stock off, to assess and evaluate before taking a decision, to think carefully, survey, to take for granted, to accept or assume without question, to take French leave, absenting oneself without permission, live without any intimation, to take into account, to consider, to take one's head off, to admire someone, congratulations to take pains, to make efforts, try hard, to take someone for a ride, to deceive someone, to take the veil, to become a nun, to take to hurt, to grieve over, to be greatly affected, to consider something very seriously, to take to task, punished, to rebuke, to scold someone, get an official reprimand, to talk him over, to discuss something thoroughly, convenience, to the best of one's ability as well as was possible, to the letter in every detail, to the manner born, to do something as though it is coming naturally, to the nines, to perfection, to throw a fit, express extreme anger, to throw down the gauntlet, to challenge somebody to do something, to throw dust in one's eyes, to deceive, to mislead or confuse, to toy the line, to follow the lead, follow the rules, to treat carefully, to behave or speak carefully, to avoid causing problem, to turn a deaf ear, disregard, refuse to obey, to be different, indifferent, neglect, to turn one spot, a person who changed from one opinion to an opposite one, to turn over a new leaf, to change one's behavior for better, to begin again, to turn the corner, to pass the critical stage, to turn go purple with rage, to become very angry, to walk on air, to be very happy, to win laurels, to achieve honors and glory, to work like a dog, to work very hard, to wrangle over an ass's shadow, to quarrel over tricks, toffee-nosed, a person who thinks he is of a high social class and looks down on people of lower class, token strike, sword strike held as a warning, tongue in cheek, in an ironic or insincere way, too close for comfort, so close to be a cause for worry because of being unwelcome, too close to call, a very narrow margin, too fond of her own voice, does not listen properly to anyone else, too many chiefs and not enough Indians, an inefficient situation, too many irons in the fire, is engaged in too many enterprises at the same time, took a leap in the dark, took a risk to do something without being certain of the outcome and result, took exception, objected, took to their heels, ran away, touch all bases, include everything, touch and go, uncertain, tricks of the trade, special skills or knowledge, took colors, real character, personality, trump card that gives someone an advantage, turn a blind eye to ignore a situation, facts or reality, turn an honest penny, make a legitimate living, turn down, reject, turn one's hand to try new things, turn turtle, overturn, turn upside down, turn up, appear, turn his head, pose to become conceited, pose to become infatuated, turn up one's nose, create offer with contempt, twiddling one's thumbs, feeling bored, twist someone's arm, to force someone to do something by making it hard for them to refuse. Two heads are better than one. It's helpful to have the advice or opinion of a second person. Under a cloud, under suspicion, under duress, under pressure, compulsion. Under his nose, right in front of someone, often without them noticing. Under the gun, to be under pressure. Under the sun, on earth. Under the weather, to not feel well, to feel sick or unhealthy. United we stand, divided we fall. We should be together to fight any danger, otherwise separately we won't be able to fight. Up a blind alley, following a course of action that is certain to lead to an undesirable outcome. Up against the wall, in an extraceable situation. Up in arms, to be angry. Up in the air, something that is unknown entirely. Up the creek, in trouble. Up the creek without a paddle, in a troublesome and serious situation.